Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to calibrate the gimbal on the DJI Air 3S. I've just replaced the gimbal on this drone, so as expected, we're getting an error for sure. Alright, let's power on the drone and take a look at the issue. As you can see, we have a gimbal calibration error. For drone technicians who want to learn how to calibrate gimbals on the Mini 4, Air 3, or Air 3S, feel free to check my contact information in the description below. Now let me grab my laptop and connect it to the drone. Once everything is plugged in, I'll run the calibration and let it run through the full process. This step is very important. It's not normal calibration, it is advanced calibration. It will fix gimbal calibration error and make your camera point straight. For regular users, we can also help you remotely calibrate your gimbal or fix other drone errors, no matter where you are. Just reach out anytime, and all the details are in the description. Perfect. Calibration is now complete. The error is gone, and everything is working smoothly again. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.